Hey everyone, and welcome back to another edition of Ray's Reviews. And in today's video, I'm really excited to test out the Luyaba LED ring light. Now this is an all-in-one solution that actually comes with a tripod, an LED ring light, and I'm really excited to test it out because I've been trying to make more and more videos lately, and I've been really wanting an all-in-one solution with a tripod and a ring light so I can just shoot videos using my iPhone in a really simple and intuitive manner. So I really hope that this unit does the trick. I'm gonna unbox it and we're gonna test it out and see how it performs. So let's go. All right, so this is how the unit comes in, all right? And now we're just gonna do a little bit of an unboxing and see what comes in the unit, okay? So, take this here, take this here. And look at that, it has a very nice carrying case, just like that. And then let's see what else is inside the box. You have, I think these are some mounting equipment for the tripod stand later on. So it looks like that. These look like this looks like a Bluetooth remote over here and some additional wires. We'll take a look at that later. This looks like some more mounting equipment. And this looks like the actual tripod. So I'm gonna take a look inside here to see what is in here. Oh, this was the instruction manual. Looks like that. And then this is the actual tripod. I'm gonna try to open it up. Just like that. And let's see if I forgot anything from the box. That's it. Oh, there's one more thing in the box. I think this is some additional mounting equipment. I'll take a look at that later. Now let's take a look at what is inside the bag. Let's see what comes inside here. All right. And look at that. So this looks like the actual LED ring light. So really excited to test this out and see how well the brightness works and how well the whole, shooting YouTube videos using this light works. All right, so that's all the equipment over there. And now let's get this unit set up. All right, everyone, welcome back to my very simple at-home YouTube studio, a very, very budget setup. As you can see over here, I have basically green poster board. This is something you can get for like $1 or $2 at your local dollar store or Michael's or something like that. And all I did was I put these mounting squares, and I'll leave a link in the description below, but basically these simple mounting squares on the back of these poster boards, and I stuck them up. So this is basically gonna be my, and these are great because they can just come off the wall just like that. They're not gonna stick to your wall or cause any damage or anything like that. So this is really great, and this is basically my makeshift green screen. And what I really wanna do is I'm gonna test out the tripod with the LED light and see if it's effective enough to shoot high quality YouTube videos using this makeshift green screen. So I'm really excited to test it out, so let's go.
Hi everyone, I'm Ames. I'm just going to assist Ray in assembling this LED ring light. So first of all, I'm going to set up the tripod. This is a professional tripod. You can stand it up like this. So the three legs go to the bottom, and then you can extend each arm one by one. This one should be the phone holder. So a lot of people use iPhone or their phone for shooting videos. So this is basically to hold your phone, because there is an extension here where you can put your phone into the slot here. It comes with three phone holders. I'm just gonna set up one, and then if you need 3 phones, you can set up that later. This one is the remote control with the light adjustment. Let's see. So you need to put 2 batteries in here. I believe the battery required is AAA batteries in here. I'm gonna put this aside for now. So I believe this will go into the light circle. So let's put this aside. So this one is very light. Let's open this up first. Okay, looks like that. Here, the on and off button, the light adjustment switches. There's a USB charging port here. There are 2 of them. And then this one, I believe, is where the power cord will go. Okay, so let's twist this on. Let's see. Alright, so this is gonna be your phone holder. Unfortunately, I don't know how big of a phone you have, but hopefully that'll fit in there. This is sort of like, you have probably all seen this on a selfie stick, where you connect this remote control to your cell phone, to your selfie stick, and basically you can just press the button instead of reaching out for the button on your phone to take a picture. So you know, while you're shooting your video or doing whatever it is, and you can just press start, stop in your hand instead of wait, and you know, so anyway, less video cutting. All right. Okay, it's on. All right, so let's see. See this one, as I'm adjusting the light, it is changing the colors. Right, so right now I believe this is the cold light. Wow, it's actually quite bright. This is the cold light, and then this bottom switch, the 3200K controls the warmness of the light. So this, now the light becomes warmer and dimmer. Yeah. So if you want warmer light, so this is sort of use the bottom switch to change. It's the 3200K one to change the warmness. And then if you want cold light, you use the top switch to adjust the brightness of the cold light. Okay, so I just added 2 batteries to this remote control. It's 2 AAA batteries, and now the remote control works. So I'm just gonna turn this off, and then turn it back on, and then I'm gonna show you the dimmer this makes it, this is the lowest. And then if I want to increase the light, you can see that it's getting brighter, and then it's brighter. And then if you want to change it to cold light, you just press the 6000K. Now it's cold light, and then you want to make it a warm light. You just keep pressing the 3000K button on your remote. You might have to press it for a little while for it to turn warm, like this. Okay, so I like the warm light a little bit better, so I'm gonna keep the warm light on and dim it a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to put my phone. So I also set up the 3 phone holder here, so you can just, these ones are really easy. Like you basically assemble this individually, and then you can just slide this inside like that. Okay, so basically when you do a video, you can do 3 phones here to take different angles and things like that. So you don't have to do things 3 times. Here, so now I'm gonna slide my phone in here in the primary one. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you how this little selfie stick remote control works. Okay, so now I'm going to first pair it to my phone. Oh, actually my phone is low battery right now, so it's very handy that it has a USB port behind this light where I can just put my USB charging wire here and charge my phone. There you go. So everything can be done on one ring light, which is great. So you never have to worry about your phone running out of battery or lighting not enough or no control to stop your video. So I got this to connect previously, so now it's just stays connected. Okay, so it's great. And then now I'm going to try this out. I'm gonna turn this sideways. I really like this because it's very flexible. It's not very difficult, right? It's very easy to maneuver here and there, right? So, very great. So, I'm gonna okay. So now I'm gonna try this out and see. I'm gonna take a. So now I'm gonna try this out by. See, I just took a picture of myself by clicking the button. Okay, here. So, it's great. Took another photo with Ray in it. And then now I'm going to switch it to video and see if this little thing works with video. Oh, looks like it works. It started recording as well. So you never really have to go stretch your arm so far and to push this button anymore. So all you need to do is, like when you do a presentation in a big conference room, you just hit the button, it'll stop and it'll start. So, all right, so hopefully that was a informative and educational review for you. Ray is going to show you how it looks like on this budget green screen he set up here at home.
Hey everyone, it's Ray here again, and I'm just gonna test the recording feature. So as you can see, the tripod with the LED ring light is all set up over here. We have our iPhone mounted on the system, and it seems like the light itself, so I have no other external lighting. As you can see, it's just this makeshift green screen. So what I'm trying to do is really to eliminate the shadows so the effect of the green screen will turn out well. So I really hope this is achievable. So I'm gonna, using this handy Bluetooth device, I'm gonna start recording using this iPhone, and then we're gonna take a look at some footage using just this tripod with LED light, using this green screen with no other external lighting. So I'm gonna press the button now. As you can see, it looks like that on the screen over here. So we're just recording right now. I'm gonna, oh, yeah, so we're recording right now. So I am, this is Ray. I am live here. I'm using my green screen. I just want to know how this green screen turns out. I really hope it turns out well. So hopefully everything will turn out perfectly. All right, so I just talked about some jumbo rumble. Nothing really makes sense there, but I just to test out the quality of this. But I really like this machine. It's really, really awesome. I mean, it's, you know, for the price point, you really can't beat it. You know, tripod, all-in-one, you know, system. There's a lighting here. You can really change the brightness of the settings. Unlike other tripods with LED ring lights, and this one actually gets really bright, and you know, you can really change the color between like a softer light color or a harder light color. So that's what I really love about this. And I'm not doing this right now, but you could also actually mount, you know, a little bit of, if you want to have an external microphone, you could actually mount something here and, you know, give yourself a little bit of an external microphone. So then you can have, you know, good vocals and everything just directly off this machine. So that's something I really like about that as well. We can just mount something here and, you know, get the superior sound quality as well. But all in all, I really like the system. You know, for the price point, it really can't be beat. I'll leave a link in the description below. We're gonna hear from Amy. Any last thoughts? And then we will conclude this video.
So overall, very good. Definitely highly recommend for you guys to use and try out. So yeah, hope you enjoy that.